You see what's happened to these poor birds. You don't even watch. The same principle applies to your life. When you know you are vulnerable, you know where you stand. You have to protect yourself from evil people. Oppressor, aggressor, hypocrite, nonsense people always there in a corner to hunt you down. But you have to make a plan. But you need to have a strategy. You need to know where you should be and with whom you should associate. Exactly happen the same in relationship. When you end up with the wrong relationship, you always pay the prices. A wrong relationship, a wrong friends, being with the wrong society will turn you apart, piece by pieces. Life is not as simple as it is. The process of life to succeed, it needs a proper perspective, information from your own mind and intellect to make a decision correctly, to avoid any disappointment. Don't jump up in conclusion straight away. Think carefully before you do anything.